click. In this video, I am going to show you how to make some of the best pureed soups that you have ever tasted in your life using just 2 ingredients. You could maybe stretch it to 3 or 4, but the basic principles of just 2 ingredients. It works amazingly well for this pea soup, but it could also work for a ton of different vegetables. The techniques are really simple and straightforward. This is a super easy meal prep recipe, so let's jump straight into it.
Let's begin by introducing our first 2 ingredients: frozen peas and a good quality veg stock. You can use stock cubes or store-bought stock, but a good homemade stock is incredibly easy to make, and it adds so much sweetness and flavor and depth to this simple 10-minute recipe. While my 2 pints of stock are coming to a boil, I fill up the empty containers of stock with plenty of frozen peas. I add these to the hot stock and cook for roughly 2 to 3 minutes, or until you taste the peas and they're tender, sweet, and delicious. While these cook, set up your blender, and if you want to have the smoothest soup with the best color and flavor, I would highly recommend setting up an ice bath by filling a bowl with ice and water and setting another bowl and a strainer on top of that. When you're ready to blend, you can go ahead and add everything to the blender along with our optional 3rd ingredient of some fresh mint for some extra flavor. Blend this together on high until everything is nice and smooth. Optionally, you can add the tiniest little bump of xanthan gum while blending. Now, this is a bit of a specialized chefy ingredient, but basically what it's going to do is stop your soup from splitting as it sits in the fridge for a couple days, where the water separates from the pea puree. Totally option, but does make for a nicer consistency. Once everything is really nice and smooth, you can pour your puree soup through the strainer and give things a really good mix in the bowl to cool down quickly. The process of rotating the bowl and stirring the mixture inside ensures that the soup cools down as fast as possible, and in turn, this will preserve both the color and the flavor of the soup. These soups freeze really well and make for an excellent quick meal to pull out of the freezer at a moment's notice. I would recommend labeling and freezing them immediately, or you can just go ahead and plate up a nice bowl of soup and enjoy it immediately.
This also actually tastes something good. I kind of wanted to add some olive oil to this, or like a nice drizzle of like yogurt, but I'm out of nice olive oil and my yogurt had started to melt. So we're just eating it with crusty bread. It is cold at the moment. You can enjoy it heated up. It'll be really good with like maybe some melted cheese in it, like a nice grilled cheese sandwich would be chef's kiss, but it's also like super delicious cold. There's really not much to say. This amazing flavor of peas. It's like subtly sweet and has like a lot of nuance from that veg stock. If you don't have really amazing veg stock, you can use veg stock cubes. If you would like to learn how to make veg stock without any additional hassle, then you can check out this video here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you found some value in it. And I hope to catch you in the next one. Bye.